अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर वीडियो। और ये वीडियो एक रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है। अनून भाई ने रिक्वेस्ट की थी इस वीडियो के लिए। रिसेंटली जो मैंने वीडियोस बनाई थी इरियन वेब कैम पे, वो वर्क नहीं कर रही उनके लिए, तो उनके लिए है ये वीडियो। और दिस एप्लीकेशन इज़ एक्चुअली अ ग्रेट featureable and like you can enjoy to use this application, I hope. And this is the simple application. The name of this application is iVCam. You can search it on Google Chrome and you can just download it on PC and on your Android as well. If you are using iPhone, definitely you can download it from your iPhone Play Store, iPhone Store. I don't know the name of iPhone store now. Actually, I never used before, and after I don't think so. So you can just download it from the iPhone store as well. And how you can connect with this application, if you are using different network on your Android phone, then you can use this IP and just paste on your Android application and you can connect through this. This is the first step. And the second step is you can use your USB cable. Just turn on developer debugging, USB debugging from your developer mode, and that's it. You can connect through the second step. And now the third step is you can use the same Wi-Fi connection, and this app will automatically synchronize your phone. Now this is the mobile application. Now I will show you some steps from this applications on Android. Just here you can see iVCam. You can download it from Play Store, and as I said, you can download for iPhone from your iPhone store. Download this application, and here you need to paste the IP address if you are using mobile data. Here is the mobile data. If you are using different network, then you can paste here to that IP address and click on OK. Here we go, you can connect your phone. Now the second step is you can use a USB cable. For that you need to turn on the USB debugging mode from developer mode, and you need to turn on developer mode as well. I will show you how you can turn it on. Just move on the screen, mobile screen, and scroll the settings down and click on the settings icon. Then now I am using Infinix Note 7. In your case might be it's everything is available in system settings. So just click here and tab on the build icon again and again 3 to 5 times, and your developer mode will be active in Infinix. Just click on the Infinix settings, and here you can see the developer mode down here. Just tab on it 3 to 5 times and your developer mode will be activated. Now the just scroll down, go back and scroll down, click on the system, and here you can see developer option. Just click on the developer option, and in developer option just scroll a bit, and here you can see USB debugging option. Just click on it and just turn this on, and here you can see your screen is now capturing your webcam, your camera, and definitely it's sending to your desktop. So you can share like this, same like Irion application. Now the third step is you can use the same Wi-Fi technique, same Wi-Fi on your PC and on your Android, and this app will automatically recognize your webcam and just make a connection bond, and you can just share the whole your mobile webcam on your PC easily. So by tweaking this application you can use it much better than my explanation. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़. बाय बाय.